Okay, there. There.
You good? Alright, sorry about that, guys. My phone ran out of memory, so we're still recording a few more things. They have some new firecrackers. Check this out. They have this Bad Boys cracker with green fuse. Which fuse doesn't have green fuse, right? That makes no sense. I think it's just because the brand Shogun. They're bringing really Shogun in here, I guess. They do not have a label on this. It's too new. This is too new. So what do you think about these, man?
I think that's a yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Check this out. They have a big fireworks.
Like the one you did.
5-ball, thunder sticks, and candles. Oh, they give you a little tube in there so you can place a little Roman candle and hold it in your hand.
Oh, cool.
That's cool, huh? You have glittering cutlass 5 shots. It's cool. You see any other stuff?
Mm-mm. I think you should buy the case. $5 each one.
Where are you seeing that? $5? Take like 4 of those. Take 5 of those. Go ahead, I'm just playing card. Take 5.
5.
I'm taking. Do you have money? In case I don't have enough.
I have my credit card.
Dude, Legend Fireworks, this is crazy. Shit, 300 shots, dude. 328.
Yes, we have to buy the
I
case.
have to buy some. I don't know, man. I don't know.
How many did you say? 4 or 5?
Yeah.
5?
5 is good. That is
That's 4. This is 5.
$25. Can't beat that.
They're freaking huge.
That one has how many shots? 280?
These have 220.
20, and that one has like 190. And those are the same ones, UVs.
Red, white, blue Roman candles.
Which one costs more? These cost.
Oh, crap.
Crap, they're falling out.
Crap.
Barrages, UVs. These are really bright, so let's take just one.
How much are they?
They're $5.
Oh.
That's a good deal.
Yeah.
Dude, we're getting stocked up. It's like Black Friday. Dude, I don't know if I can buy the whole case.
Why?
Because we gotta buy those Lotus boxes. And there's 6. But we can fit 12 in the car, in the back trunk.
We remember last time we fit a whole bunch of other stuff in it?
And they're so small.
Yeah. We'll just open the case and fit it.
Let's take one for $10 and then take the whole case.
You want gum?
No. So let's take one, yeah?
Yeah. My purse is too heavy.
Let's move this way. We came this way. Yeah. So we're getting a whole case of that. We're getting a whole case of those Saturn missiles. And what else? Lotus boxes. 2 cases of Lotus boxes. 1 case of those Saturn missiles, and 1 case of the. What are those called?
Which one?
1 case of the super candle. Super candle. That's what they're called, right? Super candle.
Yeah.
From Legend. Super candle.
Supercharged.
Supercharged lemon. The candle.
One more.
I was thinking about it.
196 shots.
Let's take the 200.
Yeah.
This is from Pagoda.
What's the difference between Pagoda and the, what is it?
UVs?
UVs.
To me, UV are much more brighter. They just show huge light or bright. And these to me show like a little more of a neon. But they go pretty high up, and that's what it means to me. 2015 limited edition. So, let's take some of these, just like one of those, because we have a shitload of those already.
Yeah.
I like variety. And it's cheap, $5.
$5.
Last year, how much they cost? Like about $15, $20 each.
Each.
That's expensive. This one right here. This is the one to get. This is the one with the little comets. Before it goes up, it's a comet. These are the ones you get.
One left.
Oh, there it is. Thank you.
No problem. Dude.
Here, baby. You want that?
Are you sure you want it?
No, I'm really. I'm just kidding. Sorry. Sorry, Amber. Hey, Amber. You guys still have
No, that's this one.
Oh yeah, we got Black Label. I think the only one we sold out of is 6-shooter and
It was that Unleash the Beast.
Unleash the Beast.
I call it later.
That's
I was
right.
bummed out. Man.
Sold out. Sorry about that.
Yeah, they're sold out of the Unleash the Beast. That sucks.
Look at this one.
This one with Dream Cream. They sold out of that. The guy took the last one.
Look at this one, Jay. Saw this one?
I know what you're saying.
Oh, that's cool.
That's pretty cool.
Takes out more rockets.
We don't keep off the party.
Takes out more. Oh, what Amber said, there's no limit. So you can buy like 20 for $3 each. Or you can buy 15, yeah, you can buy 12 of these for $36. That's not a bad deal.
That's not bad.
So let's get like 3 cases or 4? I think 3.
3 is good.
So we're buying 36 boxes of these? Just 3 for $12. Yeah, let's do that. 3. That's a good price too. We're getting a good deal.
How about the bee's knees? Is that good?
And rockets. Do you want to buy any rockets?
Crystal Crush? How
Bang,
about Crystal
bang.
Crush?
No, I don't think rockets were good.
$7 each for.
You want this one? Oh, look at zombie. Get zombie.
Hey, look.
Get that for Nina.
You get
For Nina.
$35 for 20 packs.
Oh,
65. Let's do it.
there's more over there.
Yeah.
Let's do this. This is really good. This is a really good one.
That's really good.
That's a really good one. I fired this one, and people were asking me for it. We gotta take this one. Okay. We'll take it, but we're not gonna buy it. We're gonna buy it by the case.
By the case?
Yes. And that one too. Remember that one?
Yeah.
Artillery shot.
Let's get this. Let's get this. Get the pirate boat, and then the Ferris wheel.
Air bomb. Which one was that one? Rock out. Is
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is only available by piece. $7 each.
Marcos, pick 3, baby. That one's nice.
Ballerina bomb.
Oh, get that one. That looks like fun.
Did you get the?
Want the ballerina bomb, baby love?
Did you get the Ferris wheel?
You
yet,
get 24 of these for $75.
That's not bad.
I think we should take
Hold
both.
on, let me get it.
Get
Both?
variety.
Okay.
Let's choose between this one, and then some other ones right now.
Okay.
Okay? And then we pick up two, just 2. Because we can't pick any more. Okay. So, rock out and the big burst. Let's pick.
The residents really liked it.
Huh?
I said the residents really liked it.
The residents.
Yeah, remember? We took it
The
over.
neighbors.
What else do you think?
Is that what you're talking about? The neighbors?
I can
No,
put only
I
2 of
knew
those,
we did
huh?
that at the nursing home.
Oh, did it? Oh, yeah. Huh?
Big burst and then rock out. Let's
You
go.
want? Would you hold this one, baby? Can we do it?
How about extra zesty?
Sure.
You want to hold it?
Yeah, but I don't want to blast off.
No, it won't blast off. It just shoots sparks. You can hold it like that.
Oh my god, it's only $3.
What?
Lovely fishes is only $3.
Lovely fishes.
Whatever that is.
I want to hold it up. I want to do that. I want to
Is
do
that a
that.
fountain?
I want to do this.
Okay.
That looks fun, Mama.
Yeah, it's a fountain.
That looks fun.
Are we in your way?
Hey,
No, they're fine.
Daddy,
We got like 3 of them?
one.
Hey, check this out. They have more rockets over here.
Did you see these?
Oh no, look at
You
these.
should have brought your cup, huh?
Black.
They look
arrow
like
missiles,
beasts.
6 pieces? A beast, dude.
Yeah, they're beast.
The problem is that they're too new. I guess they're from Shogun too. They're from Shogun and they don't have
Oh yeah,
a label on them.
I don't like the one that.
They're brand new. Kind of is broken already though. You see the wing missing?
Yeah.
Sucks.
What about the
If you buy these
little
broken already, this can go fly into your next neighbor. That sucks, huh? That's dangerous.
Yeah, I want to snake.
silver butterfly?
I think I'll come back on these. What do you think? I
Yeah,
think
we'll
they
come
gotta be
back.
like $30.
I want
They're
this.
We'll
expensive.
come back for it.
Also, look, these are the new ones. These are the new ones from Facebook. Whistling Dragon 10 balls. They have Shoguns. A little bit. Everything here is a Shogun. No, I don't think I want to take one up, huh?
No.
You have so much already. Let's go.
Look at these for $3.
Did you already get the clock?
That's not a bad deal.
You didn't get the clock?
Get 24 of them for.
Okay.
Yeah, I get 24 of them for $55. Expensive.
It's expensive.
Let's put that back.
Where you see that at?
I think it's Godfather. This one looks pretty cool. I think I'd probably just buy this for the whole neighborhood, huh? That'd be pretty fun. That would pretty.
How much it cost?
It's gotta be like at least 400, 500.
I think it's like 800.
And all this right here is for all the kids. So. Oh, whistling.
Any sales?
Whistling chasers. These were all sold out. I remember last year. They were all sold out completely. But everything, it's coming back to me. Everything that's pretty cheap and sold out, so I can jump on it right now.
Look at this, Jay.
That's cool. Remember
That's
these?
pretty cool. Yeah, that's cool too.
Old school ones.
That's cute.
These are pretty cool. They fly up in the sky, zzz, and they crackle. You see the firecrackers in there?
Yeah.
I think I'm ready. You ready?
Jay, you see these?
Oh, I didn't see this. Look at this. These are huge. Fuck those. Look at these.
How much do they cost? $20.
Thor missile are $2.
I think these are, yeah.
Those are $2.
I can tell you.
Are those Thor?
Yeah.
Thor missiles are $2, guys. Holy shit. Look at these missiles.
You can try them before you want to actually commit and buy the big packaging ones.
Yeah, you're right. Gotta hurry up, man.
Yeah, we gotta go.
How much are these? These are $10 each. $10 each. I think I just want one.
$20.
No, they're 10. Half off.
How do you know
50%
it's half off?
50% off retail.
Oh.
So $10. Just buy one of these, and then buy how many? Only one of these. Let's buy a few of these. Like.
They don't sell it by the case, huh?
There, they don't have it in the case. What do you think? Thor missiles.
$2. Check how much they are right there.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16.
16. 17. Get two.
That's it. 2 more. What do you think?
That's it.
I want to try some more at home.
So what if the thing breaks? This.
It has to be very crazy.
Yeah.
So it's good?
No, it's over there.
I think mom will think we're doing crazy shit.
Yeah. But mom already thinks we're all crazy.
I know. Let's do this. It's good, right?
Yeah, hold on.
Thor missiles, and this is a Exnon missile. That's pretty legit, huh? You ready? Let's head out. You push the cart, and I'll clean the cart.
Are those good? Those white ones you have? What do they do?
They go up in the sky, and they have some stars.
Oh, they do? Hey, guys, we gotta get these little white things.
You got it? Then you put this down on the okay?
Yeah.
Like this is the one we picked up last year with the Pedro.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
6 boxes for 200. It was expensive.
And you bought it?
They were cheaper. They were like 125.
Look, this is 15. $15.
We're good. We're ahead. Check this out. These are bento box. I've never seen that before. 5-star rating. We gotta get that. It looks fun, huh? Look, up to 25 seconds duration, and they're super loud. They go up to 150 feet altitude. It's pretty cool.
16 shots?
How much? Do you see a price tag?
No, no price.
Oh, wow.